everybody, welcome back to Lil Killa Science Kids. I'm your host, Skylar Complete. This is my sister, the head engineer, Delilah Rose.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Lil Killa Science Kids.
This is Madison. Where'd she go? I don't know if any of you guys know, but my sister's not only the assistant, she's a race car driver.
Yeah, I go on the track.
Okay, now stop being silly and take that helmet off.
Wow.
And today we'll be doing a project by KiwiCo, the rubber band race car. Okay, Dora, what are we doing today?
First, let's look at the blueprint. The materials that are included in the package are frame pieces, axles, wood wheels, body pieces, and balloons.
Okay, Dora, where do we start?
Let's turn the paper over and go to instructions. First, let's build the front frame. For this, we'll need the spacer, bolt, and frame. Maddie, may you get those pieces I just called out? Thank you, assistant. Very nice. Now that that's done, we'll need the front axle. May I have it, Madison? Thank you. Madison, can you hold this in here for me, please? Put this in right here, and I'm going to put this in. Like that. And that's it for step 2.
Dad, it fell down. Why did tiny lefty see? Okay, Dora, where are we at?
We just finished assembling, and now we are going to get the body piece. Madison, will you get me the body piece? Thank you. Skylar, may you lend me a hand?
Sure.
We have to fold this along the creases and put it on the frame. I'll fold back here and you fold the front. Now fold this part back here. And now we have to put it on the frame over here. Oh, Maddie, just in time. Can you get the extra screws?
So these are the screws here. Do you need any of these? Do you need any more of these?
No, not right.
Okay, like only these.
Put them on the table, please.
Okay, I guess you need them all. It's time to move on.
Let's build the back frame. Madison, can I have one of those? I need a frame. I also need one of the bolts, which I have right here. And the orange spacer. Can you give me the orange spacer?
Spacer right here. Here's the space.
Now, with this, like this, take the first hole and put the orange spacer in front here. And Madison, can I have the back axle?
Yes, you can. Where's that back axle?
Madison, it's the orange, the last orange. That's the body piece. We need the red, like the red.
Ah, here you go.
You see what I do it. Now you put it in.
Dad, do you need a hand?
Yeah. Dad, do you want me to pick that up? We can do it together. Now we're going to put the frames together.
Okay, Maddie, we need to fold the lines. Okay, Delilah, it looks like the car's almost done. Are we done yet?
We just need to install the wheels. 1, 2. Thank you. First, we put the rubber on the wheels and we put on the 2 big wheels. First, you have to cut the balloons and then you have to put them on. Now we're going to install these to the back of the car. Hi! Just working on my race car. And we're almost done and we just have to add, I think we just have to add these. That's all done. Good job, guys. Let me help you with the front wheels. Which side do you want to use? These. That's a good pick. Now we're going to do the same thing, but no balloon. You're welcome, Mama. Thank you. Okay, the race car's done. Now it's time to race. Wait! Well, Maddie's gone somewhere. Who knows? But we're going to load up the rubber band. And we're going to do it like that. And then, Skylar, do you know what we're going to do next? Nope, other way. Then we're going to do this. We're going to put that inside, pull, and then put it over here.
This might be a little tricky.
I win the race. No, silly. We're doing it in the house, not outside.
Okay.
Okay, we're ready to go. Test 1. Ready, set, go!
Okay, guys, that's it for Lil Killa Science Kids. I'm thanking Tinker Creates for all the fun, awesome projects they had. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.